Hey guys, Tim and Shana, and we are under the FDR Drive in New York City, so apologies for the sound. I'm just going to show you. It's noisy, so I'm going to speak a little louder than usual. This video is about one of our favorite jump rope moves that we call swing, swing, jump, or side swing and jump. And as you can imagine, it involves two components: the side swing and the jump. And it is fantastic cardio. I'm going to back up a little so Shana can actually come forward. She's not going to hit me. She's got room. Great cardio. Great for coordination. And great for hand speed. I'd say those are the three most important attributes. And there's a lot of variety here. So we're going to break it down for you. Starting with the swing. Okay, there's some bikes coming through, so bear with me. Okay, so Shana's got her good posture, right? Soft ankles, knees, hips. She's got her elbows pretty tight, but interestingly in this move, not that the elbows are going to move that much, or the shoulders, but the hips are definitely going to move a lot. So if we show you that swing demo again, you can see there's a fair bit of swaying. And almost like a pedaling of the feet. Now, most people have a preferred style. I think for Shana, her right hand typically ends up on top. She's right dominant. And so that would mean, go ahead and show them your swing. You notice how that right hand crosses over. And so then when she opens, it's the right hand that's going to open to her right hip. So if she was going for speed, that would be her swing of choice. But we want to work both sides. So she's going to show you, there's the left coming across. Slightly. Not quite as much. But, yeah. Anyway, it's good to drill both options. And then the jump itself is really very, very low. Extremely low. And we didn't talk about rope length at the start, but if you're doing this for speed, you can use very short rope. I mean, shorter than you would normally use for your basic bounce and other steps. So I think this is Shana's standard rope. But yeah, she could probably put a knot in it if she wants to. You could also go with your standard length and it'll be just fine.
Swing, center pull?
Yeah, so now the center pull is a slightly different style. And Shana's going to show you that now. Where she's got hands very close together during the swing. And to open, she pulls both hands away from the midline. So it's not as if the right or the left really ever ends up on top. I mean, there is still a shift of both hands, but you pull right down the middle and out. So you pull away from the midline. So there are some people that prefer that style. I don't think either of us do, but it works. And so essentially what you've got is one swing to the side, one swing to the other side, the open, which is the jump, and then the repeat. Swing, swing, jump, swing, swing, jump. And initially you can do this very slowly, and then you can see Shana's really picking up some speed. This is an event that we do almost every year in the punk rope games, and I'm not recalling exactly what the winning score was, but it was around 80 swing jumps in 1 minute. And that's pretty fast. You will get out of breath, no doubt about it. Okay, so that's your basic swing jump, but there are a couple of options here that Shana wants to show you. One is, instead of being static and flat-footed, you are constantly hopping. So you're always bouncing. Bounce, bounce, open. Bounce, bounce, open. So the swing and the bounce happen simultaneously, and you never stop bouncing. That's definitely a little bit tougher. Another possibility is going to be swing, jump off of the jog. So instead of a 2-foot bounce, we go into an alternating foot step, and this is definitely a big step up, pardon the pun, in coordination, timing, and potentially speed. I don't think I can do that very well at all. So now you've got a few different variations in terms of your footwork. You've got a few different variations in terms of your hands work. And I think a good goal, let's not set a specific number, but initially maybe shoot for 15 seconds with no misses and see how that goes. And if you can videotape yourself or have a friend tape you, you could see how many swing jumps you can do in 15 seconds, and if that goes well.
Nuance point.
Nuance point.
Nuance point.
Alright, we got a side view now.
Elbows are going to pull back more than when you're just turning. So you
Yeah.
can't be a stiff arm.
Yeah. Yeah, elbows are definitely going to pull back
If you
more.
don't pull your elbows back, you get
And if you do straighten your arms, this is not going to be pretty. It's not going to work very well. You will get a few in, but you're going to have to definitely use your wrist mobility. You're going to have to let those elbows swing back. Relax the shoulders. Get your neck aligned with your spine. All that good stuff. It's very flowy. It can be almost dancey, but we're trying to eliminate or at least minimize all that stiffness. The straight arms is typically the big challenge. People have their arms out and they're very tense, and then it becomes robotic and it just doesn't work. So hopefully that helps, guys. If you have questions, drop them in the comments section below and we will definitely answer them. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, check out punkrope.com. It's summer in the city, or almost summer in the city, so come jump with us. We're going to be doing some outdoor classes, and we're going to have a good time. All right, we'll see you next time.